Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue if you install the MudPie Creations Church BookKeeper application and you aren't prompted to enter an activation code. So if you've just installed Church BookKeeper and you click on the icon to launch the app, if you see an invalid message and it says unable to verify the activation code and the Church BookKeeper app will now close message, um, you'll notice that it never prompted for the activation code. And so here's the additional information. It says access to the registry key is denied. And so occasionally, very rarely, when the Church BookKeeper is installed, something will go awry and it's unable to set the registry permissions during the install. And so even if you reinstall the software, it for for whatever reason, it won't correct the issue. And so I'm going to show you how you can resolve this. So you can just hit the OK button, and as you can see, the Church BookKeeper app does not launch. And so if you go to the search bar of Windows here at the bottom, you can type in REGEDIT. Okay, and that will show you the regedit utility in the list. And so we're going to double click on that and we're going to choose yes that we want to allow it to make changes to our computer. Okay, that will launch the registry editor utility. So let me just caution you that the registries that are listed here are very important for your system to run correctly. And so we want to make sure that we don't make any other changes except for the registry key that I'm going to show you today. So we're going to navigate. You can see that there's a tree structure with folders here. And so we're going to look for H key local machine. And we're going to click on the arrow to the left of it so that it expands. Next, we're going to look for software. So we're going to click on the arrow next to the word software. And then we're going to look for WOW 6432 node. Notice there's a MudPie Creations key here under software. That's not the one we're looking for. We're looking for the one that says WOW 6432 node. So we're going to click on the arrow beside that. And then under that is a MudPie Creations folder. And that's the one we're going to change the permissions for. So we're going to just click on it, one single click, and then we're going to right click so that a context menu appears. And we're going to choose the option permissions. Okay, we want to set permissions for everyone. And so as you can see, everyone is not listed in the groups or usernames. So we're going to press the add key. And here in the bottom window where it says enter the object names to select, we're going to type the word everyone. And then to make sure that we haven't mistyped it, we're going to press the word check names. And if an underline appears, that means that it found that group or user and it's a valid choice. So since everyone is now underlined, we're going to press the OK button. And as you can see, now we have everyone listed in the list of groups or usernames. So it, as soon as we hit the OK button and it takes us back here, it should have the everyone choice selected. So just ensure that it's selected. And then we're going to click on full control, which will also check the read box as well. So now we're going to press the OK button, and that will set the permissions correctly. So now we can close this registry editor utility. And now when we launch the Church BookKeeper app, you can see that we are now prompted for the activation code.